Now listen here. For second video, for Tuesday second video, I start exercise number 2.5, question number 4. If modulus of z equal to 3, show that 7 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13. This is the very important 3-mark question. Now what is the question given? Modulus of z equal to 3. We are going to prove that or show that 7 less than or equal to z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13. We know that what we already studied the properties. Modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. So, what is the whole modulus of? Whole modulus of z1 minus z2. Suppose z1 plus z2 is what? Less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus z2. Similarly, and modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to, I told you, double modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2, the whole modulus. Modulus of z1 plus z2 is what? Less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Modulus of z1 minus z2. Modulus of z1 minus z2 is greater than or equal to whole modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. Whole modulus. Modulus on both sides, that is double modulus. So using this property, we are going to do the sum. What is the first one? Modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i. First we taken the one of the part, we taken the z part, z plus 6 minus 8i. So modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to, here having plus means what I told you, modulus of using the property, modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. We taken as z is taken as z1, 6 minus 8i is taken as z2. So modulus of z1 plus z2 equal to modulus of z plus modulus of 6 minus 8i. That is, this is z1, this is nothing but z2. Now less than or equal to, what is the modulus of z is value? Modulus of z value is given as what? 3. 3 plus, we know that what is the modulus? Already I told you, modulus of x plus iy equal to root of x square plus y square. So modulus of 6 minus 8 is nothing but what? 6 square root of 6 square plus minus 8 the whole square. That is less than or equal to 3 plus 6 are what? 36 plus minus 8 the whole square is nothing but what? 64. That is, right, always you write the modulus value. If you don't want to, not equal to, this is less than or equal to, write the each and instead of this symbol you write it always. So less than or equal to 3 plus 36 plus 64 is what? 100. That is 3 plus root 100. 3 plus, if you taking square root of 100 is nothing but what? 10. So z plus 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 13. This is the first result. What is the question is given? Z plus 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 13. We prove the first result. Because first one is taken as what? Z plus Z2. Next we are going to take as, the given question is Z1 plus Z2. For the first result, we are going to prove the first result. We take the given question that modulus value is taken as what? Z1 plus Z2. Next we are using that Z1 plus Z2. We prove Z1 plus Z2, we prove that less than or equal to 13. Positively Z1 plus Z2 properties used, we prove the first result. That is Z1 plus Z2. Z2 plus 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 13. Less than or equal to 13. Z plus 6 minus 8 is less than or equal to 13. Similarly, we prove the, instead of plus substitute minus, because Z1 minus Z2, already I write it here. Instead of Z, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is greater than or equal to whole modulus of, double modulus of what? Modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. So here modulus of Z minus Z2. This is what? Z1 minus Z2. Here what? Z1 plus Z2. Similarly, here what? Z1 minus Z2. So instead of plus, we substitute this value without change the value. Whole modulus of Z minus of, the plus 6 become minus 6, minus 8 become plus 8. If you multiply the same side, negative, minus into minus plus 6, plus into minus is nothing but 1. Minus into minus plus 6. Minus into plus is what? Minus. Therefore, first using Z modulus of Z1 plus Z2 property used. Now using the property modulus of Z1 minus Z2. Just we change the small simplification. If you taking plus, if what? Minus into minus. If you take minus outside, sorry, minus inside the bracket, minus into, if you multiply with minus 8, plus 6 become minus 6, minus 8 become plus 8. Suppose if you multiply without change the result, minus into minus become plus 6, minus into plus is what? Minus. So whole modulus of z minus minus 6 plus 8 greater than or equal to, what is that result? Again I'll tell, modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to double modulus of, that is greater than or equal to double modulus of z minus modulus of, add next value, minus 6 plus 8. What is the modulus of z value? Modulus of greater than or equal to modulus of z is what? 3. So modulus of z value is 3 minus the modulus value is nothing but we rewrite as what? Root of real part square plus imaginary part square, minus 6 square plus 8 square. 8 is 64, 64 plus 36 is what? 100. So greater than or equal to, again modulus of, see the left the modulus of 3 minus root 100. Remember again one more time, z1 plus z2 is nothing but what? Less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. But z1 minus z2 what? Greater than or equal to double modulus of z1, double modulus of, again modulus of z1 minus a modulus of z2. Remember the property. So using this property only I am teaching this one. So greater, see what is it one? Modulus of z1 minus z2, we rewrite as the plus become minus modulus of z1 minus z2 greater than or equal to what? Modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. Instead of z1 you substitute za, z2 is what? Minus 6 plus 8. We remember the value, modulus of z is what? 3. Modulus of z value is given the question itself, modulus of z equal to 3. Therefore whole modulus of modulus of z is 3 minus the modulus value is what? Real part square plus imaginary part square. That is 36, 6 are 36, 8 8 are what? 64. 64 plus 36 is 100. So greater than or equal to modulus of 3 minus root 100. That is greater than or equal to 3 minus 10. So 3 minus 10 is nothing but what? Minus 7. If we taking modulus, the minus 7 become what? 7 plus 7. Therefore, so z minus of minus, we multiply minus, we get the same result, greater than or equal to 7. This is the and what? The equation 2. Using 1 and 2, z plus 6 minus 8 is greater than or equal to, z plus 6 minus 8 is greater than or equal to 7. See this value, greater than or equal to 7. How to read it? Greater than or equal to 7, less than or equal to 13. So using 1 and 2, we get the result. Therefore, z plus 6 minus 8 is greater than or equal to, z plus 6 minus 8 is greater than or equal to 7. Similarly, z plus 6 minus 8 is what? Less than or equal to 13. So the result, using the result 1 and 2, we find it is, we prove the result, hence proved. See the fifth question, this is also important for you. If modulus of z equal to 1, show that 2 less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. That is nothing but what? Modulus of z square minus 3 greater than or equal to 2, modulus of z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. So first we take the solution. Modulus of z square minus 3 greater than or equal to, because z square minus if it happen minus means what? Double modulus of, that is modulus of z1 minus z2, modulus of z1 minus z2 equal to the whole double modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 the whole modulus. So you take in the first one negative sign, modulus of s square minus 3, sorry, greater than or equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to. Minus means greater than or equal to, plus coming means what? Less than or equal to. So modulus of s square minus 3 greater than or equal to double modulus of s square minus modulus of 3. Again the same will write it. Modulus of s square minus 3 greater than or equal to modulus of s square. Modulus of z is what? Nothing but 1. 1 minus, see this is only real part square, root 3 square, only 3 square. If we taking a square root for 3 square is nothing but what? 3. So 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is nothing but what? Greater than or equal to minus 2. That is the modulus is what? Plus 2. So modulus of s square minus 3 greater than or equal to plus 2. See how to read this one. Modulus of s square minus 3 greater than or equal to plus 2. We prove the result. Next we are going to prove modulus of s square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. The similar step in the, what is the similar step followed in the fourth sum? The same thing followed in the fifth one also. Next, modulus of s square we want to plus sign. Plus means what? Plus into, we take the minus only outside. So plus into minus is minus. So the modulus of s square plus minus 3. That is what we know. Modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. Remember the property. Using the property only we solve the sum. Therefore, z square minus 3 is rewrite as what? Modulus of z square plus of minus 3. That is less than or equal to modulus of z square plus modulus of minus 3 the whole square. So what is this one? Less than or equal to, don't want this. Another modulus. Modulus of 1 square plus root of minus 3 the whole square. Only one modulus enough. So 1 square is what? 1. Minus 3 whole square is what? 9. Less than or equal to 1. If you taking square root for 9, it will become what? 3. So 1 plus 3. Therefore, z square plus minus of that is z1 plus z2. This is what? z1 minus z2. This is what? z1 minus z2. Here what? z1 plus z2. We get what? z1 plus z, that is nothing but what? Less than or equal to 4. Using the result 1 and 2. See the result, z square minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. Z square minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. Z square minus 3 plus into minus nothing but what? Minus. Z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. From 1 and 2 we prove the result. 2 z square minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. How to read this one? Modulus of z square minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. Modulus of z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. The fourth sum and the fifth sums are both the same model only. See the sixth question. If modulus z minus 2 by z. If z minus 2 by z, modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2, show that the greatest and least value of, that is the biggest value and the smallest value. Greatest and least value of modulus of z are what? Root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1 respectively. Now we are going to prove that. What we are going to prove that? If modulus of, see the solution, modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2. Modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2. What is this one? Modulus of z minus 2 by z is greater than or equal to, because a negative value. Already one more time I told you. For last time also I taught like that. Modulus of z1 minus z2 is what? Greater than or equal to double modulus of, that is the whole modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2 the whole modulus. Using this step, what you are writing? Here I have minus x. So z minus 2 by z greater than or equal to modulus of z minus modulus of 2 by modulus of z. Whole modulus of is the modulus of z minus 2 by modulus of z. See what is the question? Z minus 2 by z is nothing but what? 2. Z minus 2 by z is given what? 2. We substitute the result here. 2 greater than or equal to, substitute this value here. 2 greater than or equal to whole modulus of z minus 2 by modulus of z. See 11th study studied. Modulus of x is lies between less than or equal to a, means if modulus value is rewrite as, we remove the modulus, it lies between what? Minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. That is the modulus is modulus x, modulus value, modulus of x less than or equal to rewrite as what? Minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. Similarly, the modulus value is rewrite as what? Minus 2 less than or equal to, take the modulus value, instead of modulus use the bracket, minus lies between minus 2 and plus 2. That is the modulus value, where modulus of x less than or equal to. Similarly, this modulus, we take the modulus, right? What is the value here? 2 only. Here what is the value here? 2 greater than or equal to modulus of z minus. So we want to remove the modulus value. This plus 2 is lies between what? Minus 2 and plus 2. Remove the another we remove the modulus. Whole modulus remove it. Right is what? Modulus of z minus 2 by modulus of z lies between minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 less than or equal to bracket, put the bracket, take, remove the modulus, minus 2 less than or equal to bracket of modulus of z minus 2 by modulus of z less than or equal to plus 2, that is minus 2 to plus 2. Use this property studied in the 11th standard. So minus 2 less than or equal to, here what is, just you multiply. Modulus of z into modulus of z is what? Modulus of z square minus 2 divided by modulus of z less than or equal to 2. Then multiply. The modulus of z will multiply and the inequality. We want to multiply with the inequality. Minus or 2 into modulus of z. Minus 2 into goes to this side. Minus 2 into modulus of z. Similarly, plus 2 into modulus of z. Minus 2 into modulus of z less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 2 less than or equal to 2 into modulus of z. What is our case 1? We take the first case, minus 2 into modulus of z less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 2. We take the half of the value. Case 1, we take the less than or equal to value, this value. Minus 2 into modulus of z less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 2. So, next this minus 2 z come to the right hand side, it will become what? Plus 2 z, listen here, 0. This goes to the right hand side, 0 less than or equal to modulus of z square. Minus 2 into modulus of z become what? Plus 2 into modulus of z minus 2. What happened? Modulus of z square plus 2 into modulus of z. We add and subtract 1. This is a very, very important step. Add and subtract. Subtract 1. Without change the value, we want to become the square. We want to make a square number. Add and subtract 1. So, modulus of z square plus 2 into modulus of z, add plus 1, subtract, plus 1 minus 7. If we add and subtract, without change the value, we add and subtract. So, modulus of z square plus 2 into modulus of z plus 1 minus 1, add and subtract. Again what 2? Minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So, what happened? This is the inequality. Change the inequality. This less than or equal to become greater than or equal to. Next, this is what? A plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square up to. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is nothing but what? Modulus of z plus 1 the whole square, minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Next, modulus of z plus 1 the whole square, the minus 3 become what? Plus 3. Modulus of z plus 1 the whole square greater than or equal to minus 3 become plus 3. Again, modulus of z plus 1 greater than or equal to what? Root 3. Or modulus of z greater than or equal to root 3 plus 1 become what? Minus 1. So, first case 1, we are using case 1, we first find the first result. Modulus of z greater than or equal to root 3 minus 1. Again, we go to the case 2. What is our case 2? See, we are taking first half of the value. Minus 2 into modulus of z less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 2. Next, we are going to take the value modulus of z square minus 2 less than or equal to 2 into modulus of z. See that case 2, modulus of z square minus 2 less than or equal to 2 into modulus of z. Now, modulus of z square plus 2 into modulus of z. If that is nothing but what? Minus 2 into modulus of z minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So, this is again what is the same step, add and subtract, same thing. Modulus of z square minus 2 into modulus of z, add and subtract 1. What is what we do in the case 1? The same step, add and subtract plus 1. Add and subtract the 1. So, modulus of z square minus 2 into modulus of z plus 1 minus 1. Again, already having the minus 2 less than or equal to 2. Similarly, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Case 1 we get what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Case 2 is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. That is nothing but what? Modulus of z minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 3 less than or equal to 0. That is modulus of z minus 1 the whole square. The minus 3 become what? Plus 3. Again, modulus of z minus 1 less than or equal to. If we are taking square root on both sides, means what? Square cancel, we get modulus of z minus 1 less than or equal to root 3. That is modulus of z less than or equal to root 3. The minus 1 become plus 1. Therefore, the greatest value, root 3 plus 1 is the greatest value. We know root 3 plus 1 is the greatest value. Root 3 minus 1 is the smallest value. Thus, the greatest value is root 3 plus 1. We prove the result greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to, the greatest value is what? Root 3 plus 1, and the least value is what? Root 3 minus 1. The sum is very, very important for you. See the question number 7. If z1, z2 and z3 are the three complex number such that modulus of z1 equal to 1, modulus of z2 equal to 2, modulus of z3 equal to 3. Given the question itself, given the value, and whole modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to 1. What are given? Given the three complex number value. Modulus of z1 equal to 1, modulus of z2 equal to 2, modulus of z3 equal to 3, as well as given modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to 1. What we are going to prove that? We show that modulus of 9 into z1 into z2 plus 4 into z1 into z3 plus Z2 into Z3, the modulus of the whole modulus of 9 into Z1 into Z2 plus 4 into Z1 into Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 equal to 6. We are going to prove the result. Children, this is a very big exercise. Go through properly. This is little bit hard for you. So remember the properties. First you learn the properties well. Go through the book. Remember that learn the property. Afterwards you do the problem. See the solution now. See modulus of Z1 equal to 1. Question itself given. Modulus of Z square is what? We will remember the result. Modulus of Z square is what? Modulus of Z square is what? One of the property we studied. Modulus of Z square is what? Z into Z bar. We study the property. Modulus of Z square is what? Modulus of Z square is Z into Z bar. Similarly, first given the question is what? Modulus of Z1 equal to 1. If you squaring on both sides, what happened? Modulus of Z1 square equal to 1 square is nothing but what? 1 only. So therefore modulus of Z square is Z into Z bar. Similarly, modulus of Z1 square is Z1 into Z1 bar equal to 1. Now Z1 bar equal to 1 by Z1. Similarly, we find the next result also. Modulus of Z2 equal to 2. Modulus of Z2 whole square is what? 2 square is what? 4. Z2, Z square is we rewrite as what? If having the modulus of Z square is Z into Z bar. Important property marked in the book itself. So modulus of Z2 square is 4 means what? Z2 square is rewrite as what? Z2 into Z2 bar equal to 4. That is nothing but what? Z2 bar equal to 4 by Z2. Similarly, what is the third answer? Third complex number value is given. Modulus of Z3 equal to 3. So modulus of Z3 the whole square is, if you squaring on both sides, what you get? Modulus of Z3 the whole square equal to 3 square is nothing but what? 9. So Z3 into Z3 bar equal to 9. That is Z3 bar equal to 9 by Z3. This is the third result. Using the three result, we are going to substitute the value and find the answer. What we are going to prove now? 9. What is the question? 9 into. See the question. Now modulus of 9 into Z1 Z2 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 the modulus equal to. So which one is take common? Z1 Z2 Z3 is take common. Which one is less here? Which one is reduced here? What is the complex is not here? Z3 is not here. So 9 by Z3. If you multiply Z3 cancel, we get the Z1 into Z2. Therefore, this is very very important step. So you take Z1, Z2, Z3 take common outside. Put it everything in the modulus value. Z1, Z2, Z3 take outside. Balance is what? 9 by Z3 plus 4 by Z1, Z3 is take outside. Balance is which one is not missing? Z2 is missing by Z2. Here also plus 1 by. There is no number. That is Z2 into Z3 is nothing but what? 1 by. Which one is missing? Z2, Z3 is having. Which one is missing? Z1. So like that you take. It's a very important step. Z1, Z2, Z3 is take common. Which is Z1 and Z2 having, which one is missing? Z3. So 9 by Z3 plus what? 4 by Z1, Z3 is having, Z2 is missing, divide by Z2 plus 1 by Z2, Z3 is having, Z1 is missing, 1 by Z1. So you multiply, if multiply means Z3 cancel, we get what? 9 into Z1, Z2. Similarly, Z2, Z2 cancel, we get what? 4 into Z1 into Z3. Here also, we get Z1 cancel, balance is what? Z2, Z3. So now here taking the modulus for these things. So modulus of Z1. Whole modulus, we take this single modulus. Because we remember the product. Modulus of Z1 into Z2 into Z3 is what? Modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. We remember the property. Modulus of Z1 into Z2 equal to modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. Able to write the property. So we are using this property here. So modulus of Z1 into Z3 is what? Modulus of Z1, modulus of Z2, modulus of Z3. 9 by Z3 is what? We use the third result. 9 by Z3 is nothing but what? Z3 bar. So substitute Z3 bar. What is our 4 by Z2? 4 by Z2 is what? Z2 bar. 4 by Z2. Instead of 4 by Z2, write Z2 bar. 1 by Z1 is what? What is our 1 by Z1? Z1 bar. So using the 3 values substitute here. Then only we find the value before we are going to do the sum. So the 3 values are substituted here. We get the result easily. So modulus of Z1 bar, modulus of Z2 bar, modulus of Z3 bar. Substitute the value for all the 1, 2, 3 equation. Get what? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole bar. We remember that one. Z1 plus Z2, the Z3 whole bar is we rewrite as what? Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. We remember this formula. Z1, Z2 plus Z3. Suppose whole bar is we rewrite as what? Z1 bar, Z2 bar plus Z3 bar. Similarly, Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar is rewrite as what? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole bar. So we rewrite this step. Now Z bar equal to another one more property for here. Z bar equal to Z. Z bar equal to modulus of Z bar equal to modulus of Z. Therefore, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 whole bar is rewrite as what? We remove the bar, we get Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. See, using the property. Properties are very, very important for you. Modulus of Z bar is equal to modulus of Z. Therefore, we take the modulus rate as what? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the modulus value. Now, modulus of Z1 is what is given the question? Modulus of Z1 is what? Z2 is what? Now what? Z1 equal to 1. Z2 equal to 2, modulus of Z2, modulus of Z3 is 3, Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, question itself given what? 1. So, 1 into 2 into 3 into 1, what is the get the value? 6. Therefore, write the given question, 9 into Z1 Z2 plus 4 into Z1 Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 equal to 6. Hence, we prove the result. Children, go through all the sums properly. It is very, very important exercise for your 5 mark and 3 mark question coming from this exercise. Learn properly for all the sums from this exercise. Thank you, children.